One of the ways of making square stock into round is to use a rounder. This is an Ashram Craft rounder that is heavy at one end, and just like a pencil sharpener, it goes around and shapes the stock. This is another use for wooden threads. This is a cheese press. If you take out all of the thumb screws and remove the molding, then the window can come right into the room to be. Okay, now the screws that hold the windows in place are threaded thumb screws, and they are being opened. This allows the window to be moved up and then tightened so the window stays in place. In the 19th and early 20th century, we come up with all sorts of other uses for threads, threaded rods. This is a miter clamp used to clean up mitre. This is a vise on one of the original shaker benches. And you can see that these are wooden threads, and the bottom is held with a nut and thread as well. So this is a very large parallel jaw vise. These are parallel jaw vise clamps, and as you can see, all wooden thread. Large dowels such as these would be used for vise screws, and smaller dowels would be used for hand clamps. These are some of the screw boxes at Hancock Shaker Village, and you can see that as they get larger, they will need handles to turn the screw boxes, and right in front of them are the taps. Now, this one is a very serious tap and would have been made by the blacksmiths. This is the first start of a screw box. This is what's made, and then the screw box itself is made from it. All right, this is one of the shaker modifications of a screw box. The V-cutter with the proper rake and pitch is in this end of the sliding table, which goes in here. We have another threaded screw here, and all of the pegs in the dwelling house are threaded. They're screwed into place, so it's a mechanical joint. They're never going to just pull out. So you put the blank in the collet, set this up, turn the crank, it slides on, cutting the thread until it hits the shoulder, unscrew it, put another one in, and just keep going. Now, the shakers didn't need just one size, they needed other sizes. So this would be a place to put a different size screw box.